Good day everyone, today I will explain the 7 common ship stresses and how to counteract them. Number 1. Hugging. Hugging happens when the middle of the ship goes up ang bow ug stern kay murag mulubog. The ship bends upward at the center. To counteract strong longitudinal frames, proper cargo distribution, do not overload the ship. Number 2. Sagging. Sagging is opposite of hugging. The middle goes down, murag niyukbo ang barko. To counteract balance loading, use ballast water correctly, maintain even keel. Shear force. Shear force happens when weight is not equal. Different parts carry different loads, pwede ma-damage and weak area. To counteract even cargo distribution, check loading plan, carefully use double bottom structure. Number 4. Torsional stress. This is twisting of the ship usually caused by uneven waves common in container ships. To counteract strong transverse frames, avoid raw seas of possible adjust course when needed. Number 5. Punting. Punting is movement of hull plates at the bow murag mosulod gawas ang steel plates caused by water pressure. To counteract, reinforce bow area, regular inspection, repair cracks early. Number 6. Pounding or slamming. This happens when the bow hits the wave hard, common during high speed in raw sea. Pwede manamage ang hull. To counteract, reduce speed, change course, avoid the head on waves. Number 7. The last. Rocking. Rocking is the side-to-side stress caused by rolling in heavy seas. Ma-distort ang structure. To counteract strong bulkheads and frames, use anti-roll system, maintain proper trim. In my own understanding, ships are always under stress. Waves and cargo cause pressure. If not controlled, the ship can crack or break. So we must load properly, use ballast correctly, adjust speed and course, inspect and maintain the ship. That's all. Thank you.